Hello and welcome to this video brought to you by Smart EduHub Mumbai, world's largest providers of topic-wise past papers. In today's video, I have tried to explain to you what you can expect when you order your set of solved papers for chemistry. The paper is a theory paper which is an 80-mark paper. Now as you can see, paper 3 has been mentioned as the code. Well, do not panic, because till 2015 the extended papers were called as paper 3. From 2016 onwards the number has changed, rest all has remained the same. So now from 2016 the papers that you will be solving for extended will be paper 4 and not paper 3. So though you can see a paper 3 there, do not panic, it's just an extended paper which is now called as paper 4. Also, the details for ordering have been put up. So if at all you like the way we have solved the papers, and if you really feel that this meets your expectations, then you may place a WhatsApp call, or you can make a direct call, or you can text on +91 842 40 52 680. We are based in Mumbai, India. Those overseas need not worry about the courier charges, because it will be a soft copy that we are delivering to all. So now let's have a look at what you can expect in your set of solved past papers for IGCSE Chemistry Extended Theory. As you can see, not only the answers have been mentioned, but the entire working has been shown to you. Even if it's a very simple question on making formulae, either for writing the formula of ions or writing the formulae of some complex compounds like chromium sulfate shown to you. Steps have been always mentioned, and wherever possible hints have been written down so that you get to know exactly how to solve such kind of sums in future. This question is a theory question based on some polluted air, the oxides that it contains, and the major sources of these pollutants, the adverse effects, etc. Now, the importance of getting a solved paper for a theory part is that not only will it help you with the calculations, you'll definitely come to know how the sums have to be solved. But for the theory part, generally children feel that there's so much to write and very little space is given by the IGCSE. Well, if you see the mark schemes properly, they are insisting on the keywords. The correct words are important. There's no point in beating around the same point. You won't score marks in that case. If you really want to get your marks, then you need to write your answers covering all the major key points, and the answers that we have written are exactly in lines with the marking schemes. So therefore, if you try to religiously follow what has been given in the solved past papers, the ideas, the hints, definitely your A stars are to be in place. So now let's move ahead. So in the theory part, like I said, it will help you to manage your answers in the given space. It will help you to get rid of the unwanted words that you keep using in your answers. There's nothing much to explain. You can just have a look at the way we have written the answers. Also, as you can see, there are some words which are highlighted throughout the paper. Now, only one paper here will have these kind of highlights. The idea is to make you understand that when you read a question, you need to read it with complete understanding. Whenever you come across keywords, and if you feel those words are essential, they'll be helping you in writing your answers. So definitely you need to underline them so that you do not get off focus. Now, at times you might feel that there are two lines and the paper has been written in 1.5 line only. Again, let me mention it very clearly that what is expected out of you is to write the correct answer. They have given you ample space because some people really do have a big handwriting, but that does not mean that the entire answer needs to be used and written in using the complete 2 lines that are given to you or 3 lines that are given to you. You need to write the keywords. Keywords are essential. You write the keywords, you get your marks. Again, when it comes to the structural formula of the compounds, here the structural formula of the isomer is shown to you. So we have taken care to see that we provide you with the utmost details. So as you can see, the structural formula has been completely shown to you very clearly. This is a sum on bond energy calculations. Here again, all the key things are highlighted, and then the explanation, the detailed explanation has been shown below. So if at all you are new to this concept and you do not know how to calculate, or maybe you've missed a class in school, you can just go through the solutions that we have provided. They are so clear and easy to understand that there's no doubt that you won't be able to master it. Yet another structural formula of a compound has been shown to you, and like I told you before, the drawings are very clear, easy to understand. And the most important part is this. Generally, children find stoichiometry extremely difficult. So, for stoichiometry, for sums involving stoichiometry, we have given you all the possible hints. Ideas have been given to you that can be used while solving any sum based on stoichiometry. Like in every explanation, you will find that we have insisted on the ideal mole ratio. This is one thing that we need to write down, whether it is asked in the sum or no. And no sum will ask you to write down the ideal mole ratio, but we need this ideal mole ratio while solving each and every sum. So when you go through the detailed explanations, even the entire explanation or the calculation of a simple MR, the relative molecular mass, has been shown to you. The idea is that we do not take it for granted. The children should be knowing a few concepts. We assume that you are just beginning from the scratch, you need our complete help. So even the smallest of concepts have been beautifully explained. And at this side, a complete explanation of on why a particular compound is a limiting reagent or an excess has been explained to you. So you don't have to keep wondering how we got the answers. We have exactly written down how we have got the answers. So this will also help you to enhance your application skills and think in a better way. This question is a theory question based on ion extraction. So this is a normal theory paper. You learn your concepts well and you'll be able to apply your concepts to this kind of a question. Yet again, another theory question. This is about the ionic bonding of magnesium oxide. So see how neatly and clearly we have drawn the bonding. So this is exactly in lines with the requirements of the CIE. So I guess that must be the last question. Yeah, that's the last question, and then this is your periodic table. So you need to refer the periodic table when you're solving your past papers, which you obviously are aware of. So well, that's all in this video. And if you really want to go ahead buying our solved chemistry papers, then please do place a WhatsApp call or make a normal call or WhatsApp us on +91 84240 52680. If you liked watching this video, please do subscribe. That will help you keep updated. Thank you so much.